In this video, you'll learn how to factory reset your Google Pixel 8. This process will erase all data on your device, so it is essential to back up any important files before proceeding. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your device to its original settings. Start by backing up your data. It is crucial to ensure that all important files are saved before you reset the device. You can use Google Backup, which is available in the settings, or external storage options to save your data. This step is vital because a factory reset will erase everything on your Pixel 8, and having a backup prevents the loss of important information. Next, open the reset options on your device. To do this, locate the Settings app on your home screen or app drawer and tap to open it. Scroll down and select System. In the System menu, find and tap on Reset Options. Here you will see various reset choices available. After accessing the reset options, choose Erase All Data, Factory Reset. You may be prompted to enter your PIN or password for security purposes. This step prepares your device for the reset process. It is important to follow the instructions carefully to ensure you are selecting the correct option. Once you have selected Erase All Data, tap on the confirmation button to begin the reset process. The device will automatically restart and start wiping all content from the internal storage. You may see a progress bar indicating that the reset is in progress, and it is important to wait until this process is completed fully. After the reset is finished, your Pixel 8 will reboot and prompt you to set up the device again. You will need to go through the initial setup process as if you were using the device for the first time. At this point, you can restore your data from the backup you created earlier, ensuring that you have all your important files back on your device. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.